Hello and welcome. My name is Dr. Zia. I welcome you in my lecture series on leadership. This is lecture number 11 and part F. In my previous lecture, I hope so, whatever I discussed on leadership about team and group, you watched that. That was very interesting. So in this lecture, part F, I'm going to talk about various stages of group and team development. As per academicians and as per researchers and universally acknowledged understanding, there are various stages of group and team development. Let's talk about them. Number one is forming stage. So what is forming stage? It is the first stage in group development, characterized by much uncertainty, chaos, confusion. So people are uncertain. They're not sure whether to join, whether to become part of the team, and if we become part of the team, what would happen, what we are going to do, what we are going to accomplish. So it's a forming stage. So they form each other. The team or the group is formed in the beginning. The second stage is called storming stage. The second stage in the group development is characterized by intergroup conflicts. There would be a lot of problems, issues, fightings, conflicts going on. So do not worry. You as a leader, watch it, help, assist, facilitate them to become a team or become a group. Soon this storm will settle down. The third stage is called norming stage. This is the stage, that is what I call the third stage in the group development. It is characterized by close relationship and cohesiveness. Here the team becomes a team, the group becomes a group by understanding and buying in each other with their weaknesses and strengths. Then, after norming stage, the team goes for the position or the stage that is called performing stage. So, the fourth stage in the group development, when the group is fully functional, now group works or the team works collectively as a team. That is important. And finally, after performing the tasks and duties and responsibilities, the final stage in the group development for temporary groups, it is for temporary groups, is characterized by concern with wrapping up activities rather than task performance. So they wrap up and adjourn. That's important. My name is Dr. Zia. So in this lecture, we talked about team building stages or group development stages, including forming stage, storming stage, norming stage, performing stage, and adjourning stage. I thank you very much for your patience hearing. Please subscribe by pressing the bell icon and share my video if you like it. I thank you very much. See you in my next lecture.